Hey everybody, welcome to Glenn's Garage. Today on the E46 Convertible project, we're going to be taking off door handles. So let's crack on, see if we can get these off this car. Okay, so I'm taking this door handle off here because I'm going to be repainting this top portion of the door. There was a repair here done, and I don't want to mask off these areas here. I want a clear coat to go underneath there, so that's the reason I'm taking it off. Most people probably take it off to do a repair or a replacement on it, but anyway, it's exactly the same process. So you're going to start, let's see, back down here. There'll be a rubber cover of some sort here. I'm not sure if this is exactly the same on the coupes and the sedans as it is on the convertible. We have this rubber cover that lifts off of here. You can see this locates in here. So you lift that off. If you look in there, you'll see a hex head bolt, 5mm hex head bolt. So you're going to take that out, and that is going to release this portion. So we're going to once we get this off, we can then get in and remove the remainder of the handle here. I believe on some cars there's an additional screw that goes in here. I think on the convertible these just snap out. But anyway, we'll get this out first, and then we can go in and get this door handle out of the way. Okay, so 5mm hex head. These typically aren't that particularly tight. There we go. Okay, so now screws out of here. We're just going to jiggle this. There we go. And there's the end cap removed. Now if it was on the other side, you'd have the key lock here and you'd have the key lock mechanism, but the same process. Now, we're ready to start taking this door handle out. Okay, so like I said earlier, I believe on the convertible that this is just snapped in place, that there is actually no additional fasteners holding this in. So we're going to try. So I lifted it out and I pulled it back slightly. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that is the door handle removed. Just rotates around here, clips in here. So as I said, I believe on some of the other cars there may be a screw you have to go at through here to get at. It's not the case on this one. So that is it. The handle is out. We can now take these rubber trim pieces off, and then I'm ready, in my case, to do the painting. Okay, so now we're just going to get these two little rubber gaskets or seals off of here. These should just lift off. There we go. Oh wait, that was easy. Great, we had to clean that. Here's the one. This one. I don't want to wreck anything. I really don't want to have to replace it. I don't have to. Okay, so that one just snapped over that screw head there and it clipped into place. So that's both of those off. Excellent, job done. Okay, so I've done the repair work. The painting work I was going to do up here now has all been cut and buffed. So we're ready to put the handle back on. Anyone who wants to see how I do painting of small areas like this, there is a painting video on my channel. Have a look at that. But anyway, we'll get on. Just get this door handle back on. So we'll start with putting the two gaskets back around here now. So this is the first one we're going to put on. If you look on the back, you'll see there's little retainer clips, if you will, in the rubber to let it snap into the sheet metal there. So we'll just make sure they're retained properly, and that holds it in place for the assembly. Okay, so 2 retainers here that go up here, and 2 here that go up here. So we'll slip the bottom one in first. And then we'll slip that top one in, and then we'll pop that in there. Okay, so that's held in place now. Ready to do the second one. Okay, so the second one here, there's a little, basically a retaining clip here, and then one up on the top here. So, and then it snaps over this screw head here. So I'm pushing it in this way first, and then up. So that's retained, and then okay. All right, they're both done. Time to put the handle on. Okay, so the handle, this part here is going to snap into a pin or a rod down here, and then this is just going to clip in up at the front there. So what I believe we're going to do is drop this in. There we go. Put that in. And then drop that in like that. And then slide it forward. There we go. Okay, so got it in. Didn't capture every bit of it on the video, but I did have to reach back here and pull the small plastic actuator lever back a little bit so the end of this would hook into it properly. But you just got to put your finger in and pull that back as you push forward, and it snapped into place. So now I just got to put this cap on the end here with the screw in, and we should be good to go. Okay, so that's the cap there. We're just going to slide that in place. Okay, there we go. So the cap's in. So now what we got to do is lift this up here and 5mm Allen wrench. Okay, so I've got some light here. I actually switched Allen keys to one that doesn't have a swivel end on it to help me guide this in. Okay, so just finishing up here, snug this up. Snap that back in the hole there. All right, so let's close it and check it. There we go. Job's done. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope the video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, you could hit like, subscribe, that would be great. Check out the other videos I got on my channel there. I keep working on this E46, and we'll get her ready to go out this spring, hopefully. Thank you. Stay safe, everybody.